Hello and welcome to my video report. Today, we're going to explore about designing and copywriting for ICT project. So first, United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime or UNODC. This is a United Nations or UN member organization dedicated to the issues brought upon by drug trafficking and drug abuse. This organization uses ICT by devising a website to fulfill its goals and purpose. So, ang United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime or UNODC daw kuno, kani nga organizations kay member ni siya sa United Nations nga nakatuon na jud sila sa issue nga drug trafficking and drug abuse. So, kani nga organization nagamit sila og ICT para makahimo sila og website para dito nila tumanon ang ilahang mga tumong or katuyuan. Campaign launched by this agency are the following. First, World Drug Campaign. This is the campaign done to save the youth from drug abuse and help them to say no drugs. So, World Drug Campaign, kani nga campaign gihimo ni nila para ma-save ang mga batanon gikan sa pag-abuso. Then, International Anti-Corruption Campaign. This is the one of the campaigns of UNODC in collaboration with the UNDP to fight corruptions and power abuse around the world. So, International Anti-Corruption Campaign, kani siya isa campaign sa UNODC na nakipagtabang sa Nations Development Program or UNDP para malabanan nila ang mga corruption o pag-abuso. And third, Blue Heart Campaign Against Human Trafficking. This is a campaign that aims to involve everyone to condemn human trafficking around the world. Furthermore, the campaign encourages everyone to help victims of human trafficking. So, ang Blue Heart Campaign Against Human Trafficking, so, kani nga campaign, nagtumong sila nga dapat daw apil tanang tao sa condemn sa human trafficking. Karisad nga campaign, gina-encourage nila ang tanan to help the victims of human trafficking. And then, National Citizens Movement for Free Elections or NAFREL. This is an elections watchdog organization formed to ensure peaceful and truthful elections. So, kaning National Citizens Movement for Free Elections, kani siya nga organizations kay mao ni ang murag gabantay bitaw if may elections gihimo ni nila para ma-sure nila nga way daya mahitabo. So, gigamit sa NAFREL ang ICT, pinaagi sa messages, ug social media, para manawagan bitaw sila og mga volunteer nga motabang ug mobantay sa mga resulta sa elections. And the last, Philippines Animal Welfare Society or PAWS. This is a non-profit organization dedicated to the protecting the welfare of animals. PAWS believes that peace in society starts with avoiding cruelty to animals. So, ang Philippines Animal Welfare Society, kani is isa ka non-profit nga organization na ilahang goal ra bitaw kay mag-protect sa mga animals. So, ang website sa PAWS kay gigamit nila para dito nila ipakalat ang mga maayo nga pag-atiman sa animals.